Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. It's Sugar here, and today we're doing Demiso hair from Amazon. These are the goodies you get, and they sent me over an Afro curly 18-inch 10x7 lace closure wig. This is a completely glueless wig. This is how the texture is looking right out of the bag. So moving on to the closure, like I said, this is a 10x7. You get the glueless band and the combs. The combs are also removable, which I love. It's very customizable to what you would like without having to cut them out, or maybe you'd like to put them back in later. So we're just gonna put it on. Make sure you also tint your cap underneath to get the best flawless install. So without doing anything, this is how the lace looks. I went ahead and pulled out a little hair on the sides to camouflage where the closure ends. You don't have to do this, but I chose to. And I'm just putting the combs right underneath my wig cap. Now, like I said, the combs are removable. I find that sometimes they come out even when you don't want them to, so that gets a little bit annoying, but nothing serious. So again, this is how the lace is looking. To really buffer it into our skin, I'm going to come in with the brush that I use to tint the lace and my cap with whatever is left in it. I'm just going to buffer that into the lace and onto my skin to give a more flawless look. So I kind of wanted to play around with it in its dry state. So I just kind of started running my fingers through it, you know, kind of separating the curls. I wanted it to get bigger. I really wanted to like achieve a little funky, soulful afro, but I think your best result with any wig is to always, even when they are straight out of the box ready, to always wash your wigs and to let them air dry. You get so much more out of them. They have so much more body and they're so much more workable. But this still came out really good. And you see, you can do like this really funky, messy, curly middle part look. And then I'm gonna kind of mess with it more to do like an afro. And then I'm gonna get back to regular programming. So again, I started to form the little funky afro I wanted, but I feel like, again, the hair would have been so much more workable if it was already washed and conditioned and air dried. But you can kind of see what the wig is capable of. Just because a wig has lace doesn't mean you always have to show the part, or, you know, you can achieve different styles with the hair. You can do like the little half up, half down looks and all that different stuff. So now I'm just going to get back into it. I sprayed this section with water. I'm going to do the same size section all over the wig until I am done. And we're just detangling, making sure everything is combed out so that we can define the curls. This is after the entire wig has been wet and detangled. I'm now going to go in with my setting foam to really make my curls pop. Make sure you get your ends really well. You can use any setting foam you like. It gives it a firmness, but it also can be allowed to be a little bit more playful, I feel, than mousse, because mousse can get really stiff and hard. So I always go for my styling foam, and I'm just putting it all over the hair, and especially on the ends, because ends can be a little bit more drier. You know, you have to give them a little bit more attention. And yeah, that's what I did. So this is how it's looking after I put the setting foam on it. And you see, I'm just making sure the ends are nicely covered, but it really helps the curls pop back and look really nice and nourished. I suggest that if you want to give this wig more of a frontal look, to take out your hair as well. This texture matches my hair pretty well, so I can blend it and it just looks really, really good. I can tuck it behind my ear and you can't see where the lace starts and stops. And yeah, you see, like, it just looks really good. I don't think anyone would like easily clock it, so it works out. If you like Afro curly hair, this is a great throw on and go. Demiso is one of my favorite Amazon hair companies. I've never had a bad wig from them, and their lace is really good. It's easy to melt, even without sprays or glues. You can see in this video we went completely glueless, and it's really hard to detect the lace. A lot of people didn't know that this wasn't my real hair. I wear it out and I would get a lot of compliments. It was a great everyday wig. It took very little maintenance to get the look, and it just gave me a really nice, natural, soft look, which I really loved. So I definitely suggest this. They're really doing their thing, and it's an Amazon wig. You cannot beat that or the price for this luxurious curly hair. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.